Today's going to be a very important video if you're thinking about doing intake gaskets on your 4.6 or 5.4 F-150. And, you know, the car intakes go too, your Mustangs and so on. So let's jump into it. And of course, we got to pop the hood. You like the formats. This truck does need detailed. It's pretty much a work truck. It's what it was bought for, to run parts and packages where I sell on eBay and, you know, go get some parts and stuff. And let's grab the gaskets. This truck, just like yours, will either have plastic intake or a cast intake. You can see this one's got the cast aluminum intake. Down here is where your intake gaskets is. And the common problem with these, the intake gaskets, is plastic and they crack. Go figure, right? Bad design. And when they crack, this one's cracked. I don't know if you can see down in there. But this is plastic here on the thermostat. And it's letting antifreeze go back and go down in my plug holes, causing issues. And not to mention, I'm losing coolant because of it. Go figure, right? So, it's going to be a job changing these. So what's the chances that in 2 to 3 years, that plastic intake replacement gasket you just put on, you have to do it again? Because after daily driving this and heat cycles, it cracks. Now you might not know this, there's an updated gasket. This is it right here. It's metal. Check it out. Now this is a lot more expensive, this set of gaskets is, than the stock ones. The stock ones is like $30. Probably get them cheaper on Amazon. But at the parts house, about $30 some for the replacement plastic gaskets. They do make two different ones, tabs on the outside, tabs on the inside. This updated gasket here works with both tabs, inside and outside. It comes with the little dig in here, little things here. Also comes with a thermostat gasket. And here's the part number with the item information, just in case you want one of these. And did I tell you the cost of these metal gaskets? Pretty much $100, give or take. You know, you might can get them down, you might have to pay a little bit more, you might could actually find them online a little cheaper. But a thermostat and new gaskets for this truck, a new thermostat, and these gaskets was $107. Is it worth the price to you? I know a lot of us on a budget, but think about it. The plastic is what fails, and Matt. Wave at Matt, he's going by. The plastic is what fails on this. Is the added cost worth not having that plastic? I got, you know, squirrel. I got squirrel hunting, so I lost track of what I was talking about. Let me know in the comment section below which way you would go, or if you fixing your 4.6 car or truck. Did you go with the steel gaskets or just went back with the plastic stock ones? You know, I don't want to do this again. I don't care to pay the little extra for the steel gaskets and not have to worry about that plastic cracking over, you know, heat cycles. That's my opinion. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully the information helps. Thanks for watching. And good luck with your Ford 4.6 or 5.4, because these gaskets fit either one. Wow, I keep forgetting. Subscribe, like, and I got an eBay store. You know, this runs parts all the time for it. Description below. Might be something I know you want to buy. I do sell car parts. A lot of them. And other things besides car parts.